Hello everyone. So if you want to build an automatic farm in Minecraft, follow me. First, we place our double chest connected with 4 hoppers, 4, then surrounded with smooth stone, another layer of smooth stone, we can put in front glass, like that, another layer of smooth stone, but here we're going to put dispensers. You have it already. Some dispensers faced right here. Fill them with lava buckets. Then put some trapdoors right here. And here we're going to put a redstone lamp, an observer, and a smooth stone block. Then surround the dispensers with smooth stone blocks. You can put here a lever or a button. Both works. I suggest a lever. You put it right here. Then put the redstone right here. Now we're going to make another layer of smooth stone or anything on any block you want, like that. Here we're going to put some chains, then another layer of smooth stone blocks and smooth stone slabs. Keep in mind every block works. Now we need a good amount of cows right here. So now when you feed them, all the babies will go down. So now when they grew up and we turn on the lever, they all burn and their meat goes down to the chest. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.